Welcome to my channel once again. This is Efogo Joseph, your anchor man at the Free Genuine Airdrops. In this video, I will be showing you how to withdraw your Ton coin from an exchange to your Ton wallet. It could be your Ton Keeper, it could be your Ton Hub, it could be your My Ton wallet, or any of the wallet that you know is related to Ton. You can withdraw from any exchange, whether Binance, whether Bybit, Gates.io, any of them, into your account. But if you have not subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and get our updates whenever we shoot new videos. Okay, let's go to our main business of being here today. We start from the Ton wallet. Okay, I'm going to open my Ton wallet and see what you need to do in your Ton wallet first before you go to your exchange. Okay, this is the Ton wallet. We open your Ton wallet now, okay? All right. Now, inside this Ton wallet, you will see something like this. Normally, when you open the Ton wallet, this is usually for your Ton network, but this is for your Ton coin. Note specifically that this is your Ton coin. The price is already stated there, $6.64. So that is what you will need. You will need just this, okay? So we'll open that now. You open it, you discover there are a few things inside there. First, you have a button that says send. You have one that says receive. You have another one that says swap. But we're going to be using the receive button because we need to send in something into this account. So we are receiving from outside. So we'll click on it now. Receive button. Now you see an address here, which is this. This is what you need to give to anybody that you need to send you a coin, or if you are going to receive it from an exchange. So you click on this button to copy. Let's go ahead and do that. Now it's copied. Okay, we'll leave this Ton wallet now and go to Bybit, which is one of the exchanges we'll be using for our example. Now, this is your Bybit, and this is your normal account. Okay, first thing is to look at where your asset is hidden, which is here. You have the small wallet there that shows your assets. Just click on that. Okay, you have clicked on your assets. So the next thing you'll be doing is to click on your withdraw button. Okay, if you click on your withdraw button, we will now have to decide what we want to withdraw. Okay, so just be brief, just be patient with me. Our network is a little bit bad. You know, we have sometimes epileptic network here. Okay, it's loaded now. You will click on this Ton. There are other assets you have here. You have Pepe, you have Ladies, you have Anchor, you have Wildcat, and so on. So click on Ton, and Ton will load up. So let's wait a little for it to load. Okay, the Ton coin has a little bit has come up now. You can see that this is Ton, the coin we want to withdraw, and it's saying coin, Ton. Okay, this is where you paste your address. Remember, this is your address. You paste your address here, and the Ton network is already indicated because that is what you need to send your coin. You don't use any other network because it's Ton. You need Ton network. So we click on the address. We click on the address and paste the one we copied from our wallet into that place. Okay. All right. And then it says, please make sure a if a destination tag or memo is required. But if you look at here, there is no indication that we need a memo. So we don't need a memo for it. So it is optional. Now, how many coins do we need? Look at what we have here. It says that we have 0.99 or 0.999 coin. So we decide to paste to decide that amount here, okay? So because we need to withdraw everything, we will rather click on Maximo or Max, Okay, let's click on Max, and automatically that will show in. You can see now that we have it in our. It's loaded here now. We have now 0.899 because the fee will be collected. That's why you are seeing 0.899. So now that we have added that, we go ahead. Okay, mark it, take it good, and click on this withdraw button that is yellowish, the one that you are seeing right, the one you are seeing right here. So we'll click on withdraw. Okay. Now that you have clicked on withdraw, it says we should confirm. So you hit on the confirm button. But you are going to receive 0.899 because your fee is zero point 0.1, which you are seeing also here. 0.1 fee will be collected here. Can you see that? Okay. So we'll click on confirm. We click on confirm. And because I'm using two different things, the email and my authenticator, they will send me an email. So they need me to ask them to send an email. So I'll click on here that says get code. So I'll click on that and they will send a code to my email address, okay? Get code. Okay, so let me quickly go to my email and check if they sent me a code. So you can see the code here in my email, which I quickly copy and go back to that place and paste. Okay. So I pasted it. So the next thing is also to enter my authenticator. So I go to Google Authenticator, click on it, and look for where my Bybit is. And then, okay, this is Bybit. I copy the code and bring it here, paste it inside here, and click confirm. So the system will verify it and confirm it. Remember, our network's a bit slow. Okay, good. That is, I think it has done that. We'll just wait a little for it to really show that it has gone. Okay. All right. You can see it is ticked good now. Withdraw application submitted. You click OK. All right. Tips, you haven't enabled the withdrawal. That is not necessary for now. Not now. Okay. So we are done with submitting our turn. So that is exactly what you need to get your turn. The next thing is for you to wait a little, and if it is successful, you receive an email again telling you that the submission has been done and you have successfully withdrawn your turn. So we're going to check our email now to see if that has been done. Now, very good. You can see now that I have a mail from them showing that, okay, it says the status of your, dear trader, the status of your withdrawal has been updated to sent. You may check the relevant details on the blockchain. And it says the withdrawal amount is 0.0. So let's go to my turn because we have I had 9.73 before. So if you add 0.89 to that, you know it's definitely going to be more than that. Sorry, I had 1.43 or whatever, which was valued as 9.73 also. So let's quickly go to my Tom wallet. If the $9.73 has increased and the ton has also increased, let's see. Okay, that hasn't completely reflected. Okay, now you can see it has updated now to 15.7 USD, which is 2.3. All right, that is the end of our video. That is how to withdraw your Tom wallet. Once again, if you have not subscribed, try and hit the subscribe button and subscribe. Like this video if you find it helpful, and make sure you share it with your friends. If you are not a member of our WhatsApp group, look at the description of this video and use the link to join our WhatsApp group. Thank you and see you again in our next video.